Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of my son, which is a high protein breakfast by using natural ingredients only. This recipe has a higher protein content than omelette and is prepared in just 1 minute. You may be familiar with breakfast drinks based on protein powder that promise protein content of up to 70%. But not only are these breakfast drinks very expensive, they also go through different chemical processes to produce them. Organic eggs, on the other hand, are 100% natural, but they take a little more time to prepare them, and maybe you don't want to eat eggs for breakfast every day. Although fish and meat are high in protein, not everyone likes them for breakfast, and for vegetarians, they are off limits. So that brings us to this special recipe, and for that you only need 3 ingredients which are very high in protein. The first one is low-fat quark, which has 12% protein content. But since low-fat quark got stripped of all the fat, it got stripped of all the taste as well. And that is where the hemp seeds and the almond butter come in. They not only add a very high protein content into the mix, they bring taste and flavor as well. For those of you who want to know how to make almond butter yourself, I made another video of this, which I'm going to upload next. Since low-fat quark is really dry, I mix it with some oat milk to make it a little creamier. So as soon as the consistency of the quark is creamy enough, I add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, which equals 30 grams. The protein content of hemp seeds is unbelievably high. It's higher than any fish or meat. It's at 30%. The same goes for the almond butter. Almonds have a very high protein content as well. It's 29%, and I used here 1 tablespoon, which equals 30 grams. For those who want to know, we come altogether close to 50% of protein. 30 grams come with the quark, 10 grams come with the hemp seeds, and 9 grams with the almond butter. And you wouldn't believe this, it really tastes yummy. For a topping, you may take some berries, either fresh or frozen, and you got yourself a really nice breakfast, which is organic, healthy, and tastes as good as any cereal. So why don't you try it and let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel and you like my content, I'd be happy if you support me by subscribing, and don't forget to click on the bell for more videos like this to come. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!